5 home remedies for strep throat. Strep throat, also known as Streptococcus pharyngitis, is an infection of the throat that affects the pharynx, tonsils, and larynx. It is caused by the class of bacterium which is known as group A Streptococcus. Common symptoms of this contagious disease are white patches on the throat, reddening of the tonsils, sore throat, fever, difficulty in swallowing, stomachache, loss of appetite, and vomiting. Strep throat usually affects children between the age of 5 and 15. The people of any age can suffer from this infection disease, and it is highly contagious and more frequently occurs during the winter months. Number 1 is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a wonderful solution for streptococcal infection. It possesses antibacterial as well as various healing properties that can help to get rid of the bacteria and boost the immune system to fight the infection. Mix 1 to 3 teaspoons of the apple cider vinegar in 1 cup of the warm water and gargle with the solution several times a day for about 2 to 3 days. Number 2 is cyanide. Cyanide is another very effective natural remedy for the streptococcal throat infection. This pungent spice has anti-inflammatory as well as antibacterial properties that will help to reduce the inflammation and combat the growth of the bacteria that causes streptococcal infection. The compound called capsaicin in cyanide also aids in flushing toxins and other infections causing agent out of the body. Mix together 1/4 teaspoon of cyanide powder, 1 tablespoon of the honey, and the 3 grated garlic cloves. Take 1/2 of the teaspoon and mix it well. Number 3 is garlic. Due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, garlic is also used as a home remedy for many infections, including strep throat. The high sulfur content in garlic improves the immune system functioning and helps the body fight off the infection. Plus magnesium, vitamin B6, C, selenium, garlic promote the general health. Peel a fresh garlic clove, slice it half and then suck on a piece like a candy. Occasionally crush the garlic between your teeth to release its juice and do this several times a day for about few days to give best result. Number 4 is salt water, and the great way to deal with the pain and inflammation associated with strep throat is gargling with warm water. The warm water will have soothing effect on the throat, and the salt will kill the bacteria that causes strep throat. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the 1 cup of water. Stir it well to dissolve the salt. Gargle with the solution for about few seconds and do this regular intervals. Number 5 is the best remedy, and that's my favorite one, that is lemon and honey. The vitamin C in the lemon helps to combat the growth of the bacteria that causes strep throat and will promote the oral health. Honey is a natural healing agent that helps to keep the throat well moisturized and relieves the soreness and inflammation. Mix 1 tablespoon each of the honey and lemon juice in a cup of lukewarm water. Sip the mixture slowly. Drink this as often as needed for several days to treat the strep throat.
You like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.